Hello, magical colors, boys and girls. Today we're going to draw Pikachu. So let's draw the Pikachu. To draw Pikachu, what do we need? We need one pencil, one paper, and few colors if you have. To draw Pikachu, it is very easy. So what are we going to do first? We're going to make a backwards U for the head. Okay, and Pikachu has long ears, so let's make it long ear, one here and one here. And you can also put a dot here and a dot here, and then come back and connect, come back and connect. Make sure this side is pointy and this side is broad because this is connected to the head. Let's do the same way. Going to come back down and connect. Come back and connect. And you know they have one line here. Okay, can we put one line? Just you can put one cross here. That's it. And we can do one from this side and goes down. Or you can put it from the other side as well. Let's do it from the other side. Like this, and they have a big eyes, you know. Let's make big eyes, big oval, and you can keep on coloring dark, and then you have to leave a little bit round inside. They have a round opening like a pupil here. Let's do one more. You can make a little round, or you can do also an oval shape. Color it, fill it almost and leave some white space. Okay, they have a small tiny oval nose and just a little W. Okay, and you can make one big U for the tongue. That's it. So simple, right? And let's make the hands. Let's do by the head, go out like a triangle or V shape, just like this. Or you can say a pointy arrow, or you can say this is like a backwards 7. And now just make one more just like that. And then what do? Just make one more square, almost square. Don't put one more line here, okay? Just leave it like a U, but this time we are making like a square U. That's it. And need what? A small curve for the feet. All done. And what does it has? It has tail. Very curved tail. Actually, it is zigzag, sharp tail. Whoa. Let's connect to the body almost here. Yeah? And then we need to make one more line to show that is a tail here in the back. Okay, and let's do one more. This time we're going to do a little different. How about you want to do the ball one? Pikachu has one ball. Let's make a round as you can, or you can also trace if you like to. Okay, there is something under my paper. Let's clean up. Okay, and one more line that goes very close like that. Just we are making one more circle that is inside. Okay, and let's make one more circle inside. Looks like a donut, right? You can make a little darker, and you can make one more line go inside like this, circle inside. Okay, and then we can make one line that goes half a line. Actually, it's not connecting from both the side. It is just like a one, and we're going to make one more opposite like this. Okay, one horizontal and one vertical. Now Pikachu is sitting on the ball, so let's do it. So we're going to make a head first. We're going to make this time like a square U. Okay, and we're going to make a curve on the top. Let's make a big ears, go up and down. Okay, let's make an eye, round, and you know what, they have some cheeks here in the corner. Yeah, you can make that for this one as well, cheeks. And then we need small oval, and we need a little bit U, and this one is just smiling a little bit. Okay, and we need to make one line for the ear, and then we need to make the body. Let's fill this first so we can see the Pikachu face. Filling the eyes and leaving the white spots is like their trademark. Their eyes are like that. So if you can create just like that, it will be looking just like Pikachu from Pokemon. Do you like Pikachu? Do you have Pokemon cards? You can make one now when you learn how to draw Pikachu. So just make curve for the body, make curve line on both the sides. Okay, and then we're going to attach a small like a loop here, and the same on this side as well, so that we can show that Pokemon is sitting on the ball. And we need two hands inside, right? So let's make one and one more one. So we made 11 here, and we're going to go from the side and come in as a curve and make a loop and connect as a hand. Let's do it from this side also and make a hand. So our Pikachu is sitting on the ball. Let's make lines for the feet, and let's not forget to make a zigzag tail. Ooh, zigzag, zigzag, zoo. So it's a big long tail sitting up there. Now do you want to color? Let's color. So what is Pokemon's colors? They are yellow in color, and it has little bit brownish shade as well to show the depth of their body. Okay, but you can color whatever color you like. You want to make just like a Pokemon, then you color yellow. So just simple lines Pokemon has. You all can do it. It is very easy, and I'm sure you all like it. So make Pokemon, color it, and you can give the small card to your friends, and you can have your own team. You know, Japanese introduced the Pokemon and Pikachu. Yeah, and you can make one for yourself and your friends, or your sister and brother. So make sure you draw and color. So I'm going to draw yellow first, and then we're going to do the outline black. And you know what? Their cheeks are red in color, as well as the tongue. So we're going to do tongue and cheeks red. Let me finish coloring all yellow, and you do it with me. Okay, so we both can have two Pikachu on our paper. Almost done. Our Pikachu is done. Now let's color it black outline, or let's do first red marks here for the cheeks. Just a tiny little circles here. Okay, and let's do it on the one which is standing, and this is sitting. Now you make however you like, standing or sitting. Okay, now let's do the outline and make our ears black. Okay, let's do the black. The top part of the Pokemon's ears, the Pikachu ears, are black. See how they are black. Let's do outline as well. Okay, You can turn your paper and you can do it. See? It's better when you turn and you look properly, then you can color much better. Now ears are almost done. Now we will do it. The eye. Okay, leave the white part of the eye and color the rest. Color as black as you can. So let's fill the color here and let's fill the color here as well. Let's make a small, like a dash, like an oval for the nose. Just a little curve for the mouth and a big tongue out. Looks like Pokemon is very happy here on our paper. Will you make one Pokemon which is very happy? Okay, so make sure you put tongue and put the red color. Now we need like a triangle. It is not triangle, it is like triangle. It is like backwards V, you can say. Whatever makes you feel easy to remember, okay? So let's make our zigzag lines to show our Pokemon's tail. The tails are very zigzag. And I believe you all see Pokemon show. Do you? Do you like it? Okay, sometimes it's okay to have fun and watch whatever we like. If our mama and papa says okay to see Pokemon. Okay, this is one is done. Let's do one more, the small one, which is sitting here, and we will color the ball as well. Okay, so let's make it and color it. We made curve on the top. First, let's make a U shape and make a curve on the top. This time we're not going to connect to our U, but we're going to put inside like a V shape for the Pokemon ear, right? And we connect. And let's color. The end of the Pokemon is black in color. See? Now we need nose and a little mouth. This time Pokemon is just not smiling or not laughing, maybe just sitting. Maybe he's tired. He runs so fast, so he gets tired, I believe. He's very energetic and powerful, right? Do you all have a Pokemon soft toys or puppet? Now you can make one of yourself. Make sure you make some puppets. Cut your drawing and you can make one. If your mama can give you one hard paper, like a hard card, you can also cut the cereal box and make it. But make sure you ask your mama first or papa. Let's make a zigzag tail and color black. Outlines are black. Okay, so we always color black for our outline so it pops. It looks really good. We can see better black color, right? Pencils are graphite, they are gray in color. So it helps us to follow the lines. Just make one and one more one and then connect. See? You can do it. It's very easy. Now it is time for us to make a ball. So let's do the ball outline first, black, or shall we color first? Let's color the red first. On the top of the ball, it is red in color. Okay. So let's make our semicircle, which is red. And now you make one just like I did and color inside the lines and fill the whole semicircle. Nice bright red color for our Pokemon ball. I'm sure you have one red color, and then fill it. If you don't have, it's okay. You might have some color pencils also. So you can also do with the color pencils if you have color pencil, or if you have paint or marker or whatever you have. Just do it in one direction. Let me fix it in one direction so it looks more dark, okay? And you do it in one direction as well. Go side by side, or you can do up and down, however you like. Okay, our ball is almost ready. Now we're going to color black. Okay, let's do it with this marker. Let's make the small one inside first. Let's make one more. We're going to cover that. It's going to be one more like this. Yeah. There's one line that is going half away. It's not touching up and down, okay? Just half of a straight, like a one. Then we're going to make one more line that is cutting our inside circle from the center. See? Yeah. Now let's do it with a little bigger marker. I'm going to try to stay inside my lines. So let's make a circle as round as you can. And you can rub all the pencil lines if you like, or you can leave it the way it is. So I'm going to make one more darker here so we can see our circle. Okay, and I'm going to do this time a thinner outline for the outside circle. If you have only pencil, just do double outline with the pencil, and it's okay to do that way as well. So we made two Pokemons, one sitting and one standing. So now let's write Pikachu. How do you write Pikachu? You can write like this: P-I-K-A-C-H-and-U. Pikachu. Let's write Pokemon here. P-O-K-E-M-O-N. Pokemon. So Pikachu Pokemon is ready. And we can also take our pencil lines out with our eraser. If we have one, we can take all the extra lines that we have done with the pencils and make it look a little neater. See, I tried to do it, and now you do it. It's all done. So neat and clean. Your Pokemon is ready.